Ready everybody, welcome to Skill Up Dimension. Today we got here another video from one of the most popular first-person shooter ever made, Counter-Strike Global Offensive. And today I would like to show you all of the molotovs that you should know on map the Cache. So let's go for it. Okay, first let's say that you want to molly under the boost position. For this you can come here towards this barrel, right straight to the corner. And then you will aim, as you can see, this yellow line and this really slight line here, so you will aim right at the cross of them, so here, and just throw. And as you can see, under boost position is on fire. If you want to molly white box from the boost, you can come to the back almost to the complete edge, so as you can see I almost stay in the air. And then you will aim, as you can see, this line, so right in the middle, and just throw. And as you can see, the white box is on fire. Okay, next let's say that you want to molly sandbags at the mid. For this you can come here towards the windows, right to the middle, and then you will aim to the top from this line to the top of the roof, and you will like slowly run throw, so basically walk throw, and you will throw as soon as you will hit this level of the roof, so to the top, up to the roof, and then walk. And as you can see, the sandbags are on fire. If you want to throw molly towards the vents, you can come here on the top of this corner of this like curve or whatever, so right on the corner, and then you will aim on the corner of this building, and you will again walk through the molly as soon as you will hit top of this roof, so to the corner, walk through, and as you can see, vents are on fire. Next, let's say that you want to molly mid window. For this you can come here towards the corner to the truck, and then you will aim, as you can see here, this boost is meeting actually the entrance towards the A main, so we will go to the top till you will hit this level of the lamp where there is an like darker spot or something like this, and then you will run through actually till you will hit this part of the roof, so to the top on this line till you will get to this darker spot level, and then run through till you will hit this part of the roof, and as you can see, the window is on fire. If you want to molly NBK, simply come here, aim on the mid line of this box, and just go to the top till you will hit top of this tree, and just run through. The NBK is on fire. And if you want to molly forklift from A main, you can simply come here towards the completely left side of the box, and then you will run through the molly towards the left side of the entrance, so like here, and just run through. And as you can see, the perfect forklift molly even at this position, so it's pretty hard for the city player to stay here and to camp A main. If you want to molly a default plant position from A main, you can do it like this. You will line up this side of entrance with the top of the building, and then you will aim towards the like middle of this window, but the top of the roof, and slightly run through. And as you can see, the default is on fire. For nice and easy quad molly, you can simply come here and line this like part of the wall with this part of the pole, and you will slightly run through. And as you can see, the nice quad molly, nobody can hide behind it or at the side of the quad at the same time. Let's say you want to molly a default plant position from the car position, so for this you can come here, line up this part of the crane with like the wall and the car to be like in this position, and then you will aim to the middle of this like square or rectangle or whatever, and just throw. And as you can see, nice and easy molly on A side default. For a quad molly from the car position, you can simply come here, jump on the car, and then you will aim on the mid of the crane and like on the level of this blue line and just slightly run through. And as you can see, quad is on fire. If you want to molly quad from a ramp, you can come here to on this fence, just jump on the top. You will aim on this part of the crane and slightly go back and run through. And as you can see, again, nice and easy molly towards the A quad. Another way how you can molly a quad from the A ramp is here from the sign. So just come towards this like orange dot right to the middle, and then you will aim towards the mid of the doors and to the bottom till you will hit the curb, and then slightly run, jump throw like this. And voila, the quad is again on fire. Now let's say it's start of the round and you want to throw really fast molly towards the mid main. For this, when you will come somewhere around this position, you will aim at the top above the window, and then you will run through till you will hit this level right here. So let's say you are running from the city, top, and as you can see, the main is perfectly molotovs. Nobody can run through this towards the mid. If you want to throw consistent molly on the boost at the mid, you can do it from here. So you can come towards this barrel and the wall, so right to the corner, and then you will aim, as you can see, this flat house. You will go up on this line till you will hit like mid of this window. So up on the line and just throw. And as you can see, the boost is perfectly molotoved. Or if you want to molly boost from this position, you can come here towards the middle of this, like, let's say ladder, so to the middle. Then you will aim to the top right corner of this box, and you will slightly run, jump, throw like this. As you can see, the boost is on fire again. Another way how you can consistently throw the mid boost molly is from this position. So just simply come here towards this corner, and then as you can see here, those three boxes, so we will aim to the bottom one and to the like middle of it. Actually, let's say that to the left side of this bucket or whatever, and just jump throw. And as you can see, the perfect boost molly. Even under boost position is on fire. If you want to molly a ramp, you can simply do it from this position. So come simply here towards this corner, and then as you can see, those four parts at the top, you will aim at this one and just throw. And as you can see, the ramp is on fire. If you want to throw molly towards the checkers, you can simply come here on this corner at the B main, or at least somewhere around this position, and then you will aim at the top of this green part of the roof, and you will slightly run through till you will hit like this white part of the wall, so like this. And as you can see, the checkers are on fire. Okay, next let's say that you want to molly B main box. For this, simply come here towards this entrance, line yourself up to actually left side of this wall will be lined up with right side of this entrance, and then you will aim to the top from this line till you will hit like this level of the roof. Then you will slightly run through, and voila, B main box is on fire. Okay, for A side molly, make sure that all of the windows are broken. Then you can jump here on this like curb or whatever, right to the corner, and then you will aim from this line, which you can see here. You will go to the bottom till you will hit this level, so like here, and just throw. And as you can see, the B side is on fire. Now let's say that you want to molly the headshot position. So for this, you can come here towards this box, right to the corner. You will crouch, and then you will aim here like at the middle of this window, and just throw. And voila, the headshot is on fire. Every part of it actually. If you want to molly B quad from this position, you can come here. Again, make sure that all of the windows are broken. You can jump on this curve, but like just jump, don't move. And then you will aim on this dot right here on the wall and just throw. And as you can see, the B quad is on fire. Or another way how you can molly B quad is that you will stand here towards those like dots right to the entrance, and then you will aim, as you can see, those dots on the wall, so right at this one you will aim and just throw. And as you can see, the B quad is on fire again. If you are at the heaven and you want to molly a side, you can come here on this level and like let's say to this part. So let's say there is a half of this and to 3/4 actually. So you will stand here and then you will aim to the middle between those two lines and to the mid of this like square. So just like this. And as you can see, the B side is on fire. If you are close to the vent and you want to molly the window at the mid, you can simply come here towards this corner. And then, as you can see, this white line, you will aim like to the bottom of the line and a little bit to the right from this blue part, like this, and just throw. And as you can see, the mid window is on fire. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's all for this video. I really hope I helped you or that I learned you something you didn't know. If you want to see more tutorial videos on this channel, hit the like button. If you want to support this channel, please hit the subscribe, or you can join our membership program and become one of these killers, what will unlock you multiple perks on the channel as special loyalty badges, access to member-only community posts, and also it will support our channel in a huge way. Also, you can follow us on our socials where you can find various info about new videos and short tutorial posts as well. Okay, but now that's really all. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and see ya at the next video. Goodbye.